The next commercial crew mission to the space station, an historic milestone on Mars, and a hearing to confirm NASA's next administrator. A few of the stories to tell you about this week at NASA. On April 23rd, NASA's SpaceX Crew 2 mission to the International Space Station launched from our Kennedy Space Center in Florida.
Mission and liftoff.
The mission is the second crew rotation flight of SpaceX's Crew Dragon spacecraft and the first with two international partners. The next day, the Crew 2 astronauts, our Shane Kimbrough and Megan McArthur, as well as Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Akihiko Hoshide and Thomas Pesquet of the European Space Agency, safely docked to the space station. They are scheduled to spend 6 months conducting science and research aboard the orbital outpost. On April 19th, our Ingenuity Mars helicopter made history on the Red Planet.
Altimeter data confirm that Ingenuity has performed its first flight of a powered aircraft to another planet.
The first powered, controlled flight on another planet by an aircraft happened in an area on Mars now known as Wright Brothers Field, so named to recognize the historic connection of Ingenuity's flight to the Wright brothers' first flight on Earth. Ingenuity rose to an altitude of 10 feet, maintained a stable hover for 30 seconds, and descended back down to the Martian surface for a safe touchdown.
We have done it! This is the first time I've been able to say we've done it. So beyond this first flight, over the next coming days, we have up to 4 flights planned and increasingly difficult flights, challenging flights, and we are going to continually push all the way to the limit of this rotorcraft.
Ingenuity successfully completed its second Mars flight on April 22nd, during which it climbed to 16 feet, moved sideways about 7 feet, made a few additional maneuvers, then headed back to the center of the airfield to land. Meanwhile, a first for our Perseverance Mars rover on April 20th. A toaster-sized experimental instrument aboard the rover, called the Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, or MOXIE, was used to convert some of the red planet's thin carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere into oxygen. The MOXIE technology could lead to systems capable of isolating and storing oxygen on Mars to power rocket launches from the red planet and possibly provide breathable air for astronauts on future surface missions to Mars. On April 21st, former U.S. Senator Bill Nelson, the president's nominee to be the next NASA administrator, appeared before the Senate Committee on Commerce, Science, and Transportation during a confirmation hearing on Capitol Hill.
If you ask me what is my vision for the future of NASA, it is to continue for us to explore the heavens with humans and with machines. And there is a lot of excitement.
If confirmed, Nelson would become NASA's 14th administrator. Nelson flew aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia as a payload specialist on the STS-61C mission in 1986. On April 22nd, Earth Day was all about connections to our home planet and to each other. Powered by the hashtag #ConnectedByEarth, our Earth Day virtual event April 21st through 24th celebrated Earth and the planet's more than 7 billion people of diverse backgrounds and experiences who all share a connection. The free online event included live panel discussions and chats with NASA Earth science experts, downloadable content such as coloring pages, activity sheets, ebooks, posters, and more. That's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on the web at nasa.gov/twan.